Good morning, students. I hope that you will be fine and safe at home. Social Science, 4th Standard, Term 2, Unit 1, Philanthropist of Sangam Age. Philanthropist means a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. Sangam Age means a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. They have a conversation between Geeta and her grandpa are on a trip during summer holidays. They are on their way to Kodaikanal, an hill station in Tamil Nadu. This is the first time that Geeta is traveling up a steep hills in a bus. Steep hills means a very tall hills. Grandpa, how did people come to these hills before buses and cars were used? They would have used horses and donkey to climb up the hills. Who ruled this region? In the Sangam age, many philanthropists ruled an hilly region, but 7 of them were very famous. Why only 7 were famous? Who were they? Those 7 philanthropists were Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valviori. They ruled different hills region at different period during the Sangam age. They were all powerful, kind and cared for nature and the people. Is that why there are more trees in the hills than in Chennai? Hills usually have lot of trees. It is important for people to take care of them. Shall I tell you a few stories about how those philanthropists and the people promote nature and how in turn nature protect them? So now first king is Pagan. This story is about Pagan. Pagan ruled Palani Hills, Dindigul district. The very same hills range that we are visiting today. Is it cold here? Yes, Grandpa. That's why Amma has packed sweaters for us. One day, while Pagan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He assumed that the peacock was shivering due to cold and he covered the peacock with salt. Next king is Pari. The next story is nearly 2000 years old. A wise and kind philanthropist called Pari ruled Parambu Nadu. This was located in Parambu Malai, a hill range that starts in Sivagangai district in Tamil Nadu and extends all the way to Palakkadu in Kerala. Grandpa, did Pari surrender? No, Pari did not surrender. Few months passed. The Movendar later realized that the forests in Parambu Malai were so rich that they provided people with a lot of jackfruits, etc. The next king is Adiyaman. There was another philanthropist called Adiyaman. He also ruled a hill region, Thahadur in Dharmaburi district. One day he was presented with a very rare types of gooseberry. He was told that anyone who ate that rare fruits would be immortal. Do you know what did he do? He offered that fruit to an old Tamil poet's Avayar. The next king is Valvi. Let us tell you a story. Another chieftain Valvi who ruled a hilly region in Kolli Hills. It is in Namakkal district. Does the will is in name mean bow? How smart you rare. Yes, it does. Wall means powerful and will means bow. He got his name as he was an expert archer. Amazing. What did he do for the people? Ori was not only known for his skill in archery but also held as a kind ruler. He ruled to reward musicians, dancers, and other artisans for their skills. The next king is Oi, also ruled a hilly region in the Podigai Hills south of Madurai. The next king is Nedumudi Kari, ruled the region of Tondai Mandalam at Tirukovilur. The next king is Nalli, ruled the region of Tondai Malai under the king Cheran. They were all known for their kindness. That is why, even after so many years, they are still fondly remembered as. So, dear students, we discuss about the 7 philanthropies. Thank you, children.